The top 5 Level 2 EV car charger stations for Tesla and all cars of the year. Our carefully curated list ensures seamless charging experiences, blending cutting-edge technology and eco-friendliness. From high-speed charging to user-friendly interfaces, these stations redefine convenience. Tesla owners and all electric car enthusiasts alike, get ready for a transformative charging experience. These stations prioritize efficiency, reliability, and adaptability for a diverse range of electric vehicles. Stay tuned as we dive deep into the technological marvels that make these chargers the epitome of charging excellence. Number 5. Electron Level 2 Tesla Charger. This 40-amp EV car charger Level 2 is not just a charging station, it is a symphony of cutting-edge features designed to elevate your electric car charging experience. A sleek design that seamlessly blends portability and wall-mount convenience. The 16-feet extension cord ensures flexibility, making it ideal for both home and outdoor use. Dust-protected and boasting an all-season design, the Electron Level 2 Tesla charger stands ready for any charging scenario, rain or shine. A robust 240 volts EV car charging station that caters to EV cars using the North American charging standard. While venturing outside the USA, a simple adapter or converter may be needed. But what truly sets this charger apart is its IP55 rated charging handle. This innovation ensures the Electron charger's longevity and reliability. Fast charging becomes an everyday reality with an impressive 40-amp output, delivering up to 36 miles per hour of charge. The Electron Level 2 Tesla charger is tailor-made for all Tesla Models 3, Y, S, X, protected against overcurrent, overvoltage and short circuits. It guarantees the safety of your electric car. Are you tired of waiting around for your electric car to charge? The Electron Level 2 charger's power output is more faster than your average Level 1 charger, making it the go-to choice for those who value their time. Versatility is the key. Portable and wall-mounted, it adapts to your lifestyle seamlessly. Number 4. Evo Level 2 EV car charger. The epitome of advanced technology in electric car charging. At 40 amps, this Level 2 charger operates at 240 volts, boasting electric vehicle charging stations that redefine efficiency. The 37-inch long input cable ensures convenience during installation, while the 25-foot long output cord provides flexibility for your charging needs. But what sets this EV charger apart is its ability to fast charge, with the option to increase the output up to a whopping 48 amps through a simple hardwire connection. Weighing in at just 9.68 kilograms, the Evo Level 2 EV car charger is a lightweight powerhouse suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Its weatherproof design ensures reliability in any climate, giving you the freedom to charge your electric vehicle without any worries. Electron Level 2 charger comes equipped with a heavy-duty rubberized SAE J1772 connector, ensuring seamless compatibility with your Tesla EV cars. Maximum amperage protection guarantees the safety of both your vehicle and the charger. Mounted on the wall for practical daily use, this charger is fully rubberized for enhanced durability. Elevate your electric vehicle charging game with the Evo Level 2 EV car charger, where innovation meets performance. Charge smarter, faster, and embrace the future of sustainable transportation. Number 3. Evo Level 2 Portable Tesla Charger. This 32-amp EV Level 2 charger is poised to redefine your charging experience, providing a seamless and intelligent solution for your Tesla electric vehicle. 7-meter long output cable ensuring flexibility in your charging setup. With charging sessions ranging from 8 to 10 hours, witness your Tesla gaining an impressive 240 to 300 miles. At the end of each charging session, the connector automatically unlocks, making the process even more user-friendly. Equipped with an intelligent chip, this charger offers safety protections against lightning, and can be easily adjusted from 6 amp to 32 amp. And, when the temperature drops to a chilling -13 degrees, Evo continues to perform seamlessly, even in extreme weather conditions. For your peace of mind, The Level 2 charger adheres to IP65 protection standards, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor charging. The wall-mounted design, making it a convenient choice for your home or workspace. The OLED screen providing real-time charging status updates. Compatible with all Tesla models, including Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, and even the robust Cybertruck, the Evo Level 2 charger is a versatile powerhouse. The protective rubber-covered handle gave a firm grip. Easily storable storage bag make it a breeze to handle and carry. The Evo Level 2 portable Tesla charger, charging your car 6 times faster than Level 1 chargers. Efficiency, convenience, and intelligence converge in this essential accessory for every Tesla owner. Number 2. Lefan 40 amp EV Charger Level 2, a cutting-edge solution designed for electric and hybrid vehicles. At 9.6 kilowatts max and 40 amps max, this portable charger redefines the speed of EV charging. Available voltage range spanning 100 volts to 250 volts, tailored for electric vehicle charging stations. The 25 feet long output cord ensures flexibility and convenience, reaching your vehicle effortlessly. The sleek design, weighing in at just 4.5 kilograms, makes the Lefan EV Charger Level 2 a portable powerhouse. Plug into innovation with the NEMA 14-50 wall plug, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're in a chilly -40 degrees Celsius or a scorching +70 degrees Celsius environment, this charger delivers consistent performance. Setting a maximum allowable current to 40 A, it aligns perfectly with your car's requirements. Enjoy the confidence of unconditional replacement within 30 days if the charger doesn't meet your needs. With a service life exceeding 10,000 charging cycles, this charger is built to last, making it a reliable companion for your electric vehicle. Designed to be compatible with most electric cars in the USA. Number 1. Bujay RV Level 2 EV Charger Station. If you're ready to take your EV charging experience to the next level, this is the game-changing solution you've been waiting for. At the heart of this cutting-edge charging station is a powerful 32 amp EV car charger, delivering a robust 240 volts to your electric vehicle. The 7.5 meters, 25 feet, long output cord provides flexibility and convenience, ensuring that you can charge your EV hassle-free. This charger has you covered. Plus, you have the freedom to customize your charging settings based on your car's needs, with options ranging from 10A to a powerful 32A. Boasting an impressive IP67 waterproof rating, it can withstand the elements, ensuring reliable performance in any weather condition. The 32 amp output translates to a remarkable 26 miles per hour charging speed, making it one of the fastest Level 2 chargers on the market. And, meeting IP66 protection standards, it's built to last. Bujay RV Level 2 charger is designed to work seamlessly with all North American EVs. Bujay RV EV charger, offering a charging speed 6 times faster than Level 1 chargers. Installation is a breeze. Simply connect it to a NEMA 14-50 outlet, and you're ready to experience the future of electric vehicle charging.